What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be changing out a gas cooktop, so I thought I'd bring you along for the ride to see what it takes. The cooktop we'll be changing out is a 36-inch gas cooktop, and we'll be swapping it out for a 36 gas cooktop. The countertop is a Formica countertop. So if we need to cut for the different dimensions, if any, that shouldn't be a problem. So if you're interested in changing out your cooktop, this is what it takes. So stay tuned. This is the gas cooktop we'll be replacing. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to shut off our gas valve and disconnect our electrical. So the first thing we're going to do is disconnect our electrical, cut off our gas valve, and disconnect our gas line. Next thing you want to do is look for any mounting screws. In our case, we're going to have a mounting screw corner and corner. So we'll disconnect those and make sure you don't have any mounting screws under the bottom to disconnect. And the next thing we want to do is take the dimensions of our hole, in our case 35 1/4 by 16 1/2, and we'll go measure our new cooktop. This will be the new cooktop we'll be installing. So let's unbox it. And in your instructions, you will have your rough end dimensions, which means your measurement will be what your hole needs to be. And it'll be from corner, which we got 32 1/2, and from front to back, which we got 18 1/2. So those are the dimensions. We want to make sure that they fit. The next thing you want to do is remove your existing gas line. We're going to reuse it and the fitting that goes into the gas valve. We're going to keep this, and we're going to use that also. On your new cooktop, it's going to come with a gas valve, and this is your gas valve. And make note of the direction in, out. So you want to make sure your gas is coming in and out, and that's where you want to make sure that's connected to. You can do pipe thread tape here, or you can just use your plumber's tape, and that's what I use around the threads. gas coming in and out. Next, we're going to put our the nipple in, the same thing. You want to make sure you got it around the threads. Once we get it centered, this one comes with clamp hardware that you clamp down, so we'll get those mounted to the top, screwed in and locked in before we hook our gas. But they'll hook and the screw will go through into your cooktop and catch the side of the countertop. Now we can hook up our gas line. For this one, you don't need pipe thread. So once you got everything installed in your box, you want to make sure you use your gas valves and caps the same way they have them set up. They're rated by the BTUs, so the caps, the way they come out of the box, will fit exactly on the cooktop. So let's get those installed. And your igniter here will go in the hole on your gas cap. Once everything is installed and you let your gas run for a while, you can turn it, your igniter. So read the instructions on your lighting of your gas stove. This one, as usual, press down and it turns on the igniters, and that's what that is. So when you're lighting it, push down and light, push down and light. that completes the installation of our 36-inch gas cooktop. So that's how you change out a gas cooktop. One thing you want to make sure you do is that each one of your connections spray it with soapy water to make sure you don't have any gas leaks. If you see bubbles, then you have a gas leak. If you don't see any bubbles, then everything is good. So until next time, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notifications for upcoming videos. We'll talk to you later.